In order to change message tone on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, we have two main ways that allow you to do so. So the first thing that you can do is simply open Settings. Then in Settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and go to Sound and Vibration. And then in here, we should be able to find notification sound. And of course, if you receive a new message, then the notification sound is being played. So if you want to change the sound for new messages, you can just change the notification sound. However, of course, this changes the sound for all notifications that you receive on your phone, or at least most of them. And in this case, if you have, for example, the classic option selected, if you go to default ringtone, then we can go to nothing signals, for example, and then you can choose your favorite sound. Of course, by tapping on this check in the upper right corner. But if you want to change the sound just for new messages and only for that, then in that case, we're gonna go back to settings, and instead of going to sound and vibration, we're gonna choose apps. Then in apps, tap here to see the list of all apps that you have on your phone. And then we need to find the messages app, open notifications in here, tap on show unused categories if you don't see them, and you should be able to find incoming messages. We want to tap on incoming messages, then here we can go to sound, and then we can choose once again the sound that should be played just for incoming new messages. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.